honest review alert. So I was given this inositol powder to review, but full disclosure here, I did not use it. Like I said, I did check out the packaging, the ingredients, I did research, and the general vibe of the product. Here's what stood out to me. Number one, 3 things. Generous supply. The container is pretty big. You can see the container, it's pretty big. Claiming to last up to 2 months of usage, depending on the usage. So it seems like a good value compared to similar products. You open it up and that's the inside. Fine white powder. The packaging is very straightforward. No unnecessary fluff. There are clear directions written. And it is a clean and a visually appealing design. I did research on this, and there are no weird fillers contained in this product. The label boasts that it's vegan, it's gluten-free, and it is free from artificial additives. So like me, I do like whole ingredients, no seed oils and kind of things. So it looks like this is a natural option. So if you're already using a supplement and looking for the powder version, this one may actually be worth checking out. Ample supply. Since I didn't personally test it, I can't speak to its actual results of the female support, but the ingredients and the formulation seem on par with what's out there.